Yo, what's up yo? My name is PJ. I'm from Cebu, Bisaya, Akubay. And welcome to my YouTube channel, PJ Yo. Yon. So, welcome guys. So, my name is PJ. I make videos about mga productivity tips, about mga money making, yung mga sideline na income guys, yung pwede natin pagpasukan I mean. And of course, I also have food review, mga travel, and food vlogs. I have lots of food vlogs guys. So, yes, you can check it out. I'm making a playlist. So, yun guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe now and hit that notification bell so you will be updated of my latest videos. Yon. So, yun nga guys. So, for today guys, konting update lang guys regarding sa COVID-19 dito sa Bisaya na ba no? I mean, here in Cebu, wala pa kasing order yung community quarantine sa Cebu. So, yun, nag-iintay pa kami ng advice from the government. So, yun yung mainam na gawin natin guys is follow na lang tayo kung ano yung mga advisories from our mga officials natin, diba? Sa mga government officials, yon, DOH, gano'n, sa local government natin, diba? Sa mayor natin, gano'n. So, we should listen guys kung ano yung mga advisories nila, ano yung mga dapat gawin natin. So yung Manila nga guys, in-announce na kagabi, there will be a community quarantine. So actually medyo magulo pa guys yung ano yung mga guidelines kumbaga kung how will it be implemented kumbaga, di ba? So wala pa syadong mga clear guidelines guys, but I believe so I think unti-unti na lahat ng regions guys, yung mga cities ganun, I think unti-unti nang nagde-declare ng community quarantine, yun nga sa in the hopes of yun nga containing this the spread of this virus, diba? So I think it's a good step or a good preventive measure from the government, diba? So that hindi mag-spread yung virus kumbaga, diba? So yun guys, so stay safe everyone, stay safe, and yun nga mostly dito sa Cebu is yung nagpa-panic buying, yung iba nagpa-panic buying guys, but I believe may limit na yung sa pagbili ng alcohol. There will be, I think, 2 bottles per person lang yung pwede. So, hindi pwede mag-hoard dito sa Cebu. Yun. But, kagabi kasi guys, hindi naman nag-panic buying guys. Namili lang ako ng mga canned goods, diba? Basic lang guys. Mga canned goods lang and yung pwedeng kainin, kumbaga, na in case na yun nga, mag-community quarantine. So, it is best that kung hindi naman important yung lakad, di ba? Might as well stay at home, di ba? Para mas safe. So yun nga, mga canned goods na yung binili ko guys. Wala nang alcohol kagabi. So hopefully today may alcohol. But yun nga, if nasa bahay lang naman kayo, di ba? So mas safe, yun. So yung mga food na bibilhin guys is yung mga hindi nabubulok, kumbaga, di ba? Like yung mga canned goods, matagal mag-expire. But yun nga, yung binili ko, good for mga 7 days lang yun guys. Hindi naman ako nag-hoard nung hindi talaga ako nag-panic buying, kumbaga, diba? So, yun guys, I think overtime na tayo sa side topics sa COVID. But anyway guys, yun nga, I'm praying that this would end soon na, diba? That they will find this cure for this COVID-19, diba? And everyone will be safe. So, I'm praying for you guys. Hopefully everyone will be spared, diba? Kumbaga, diba? So, yun guys. So, for today guys, our topic will be, this is part of our 30-day productivity challenge guys. So, day 23 na tayo guys. Diba? Imagine that, diba? Malayo-layo na tayo guys. So, thank you very much to my 395 subscribers. Yun, diba? So, padami tayo guys. Thank you very much for your support guys and for continuously watching my videos. Yun. So, shout out kay Oden, di ba? Nagpapa-shoutout siya sa aking last video. So, kayo guys, if you want na magpa-shoutout, please comment below, di ba? So, comment anything below, guys. I appreciate your comment and I reply to each comment that you have, kumbaga, di ba? So, yun guys, going back to our topic, it's day 23 of our 30-day productivity challenge. So, this time, guys, we will talk about changing environment to be productive, diba? Yan. So, ano ibig sabihin ng changing environment, guys? It could be change in work, change in surroundings, meaning yung surrounding yung workplace nyo, papalitan nyo lang. Or extreme na yung example, ganyan guys, na mag-change work kayo, change career, but it's part, or mag-change kayo no, yung surroundings nyo guys, surroundings nyo, your workplace, your room, your kitchen, diba? Papalitan nyo guys, kumbaga, you will modify it, diba? So, yun guys, ano pa example ng change in environment, like, joining mga groups of, yung mga, anong tawag yan, groups, yung mga hobbies na, diba? There are different groups man na you can join, so pwede, it's something new guys, something new. So, yung point lang ng changing environment guys is, it should be something new, kumbaga, something, it's like a breath of fresh air, kumbaga, di ba? So, yun yung pag-uusapan natin, guys, bakit mahalaga na we should change environment from time to time, kumbaga, di ba? So, yun, guys, yun lang yung change environment, guys. Could be change of work, change of career, change of workplace, yung surroundings nyo, papalitan nyo, kahit yung, sabihin natin yung theme ng cellphone nyo, papalitan nyo, yung theme ng, yung desktop nyo, papalitan nyo, gano'n. So, it is something new, guys. Something that will change your environment, your surroundings, di ba? So, yun yung mga pagbabago, di ba? So, pag-usapan natin, guys, bakit mahalaga na we should change our environment from time to time, di ba? So, yung reason number 1, guys, is physical, ano tawag ito? Meron siyang physical implications, kumbaga, di ba? So, ano ibig sabihin nun, guys? Example, so workplace, I mean, hindi masyado maganda yung lighting, di ba? Yun yung external factors, guys, that would affect your health, kumbaga, di ba? Like yung lighting ng place nyo, yung temperature, yung workplace, di ba? Minsan, hindi gumagana yung aircon or yung lighting hindi maganda, so that could be hazardous to your health, guys. So yun, guys, if ever that you feel there is discomfort in your workplace, kumbaga, you should tell your HR or your safety officer, di ba, kung ano yung pwede natin gawin, di ba, to prevent yung tinatawag na hazard sa work, di ba, or at least safe tayo nag-work, guys. It will be more productive, kumbaga, di ba. So, additional dun, guys, pwedeng yung napansin nyo yung kung yung ibang workplace kasi, guys, di ba, may table kayo, then, there's this space na pwede nyo, actually pwede kayo maglagay ng design kung gusto nyo, di ba? Pwedeng maglagay kayo ng mga pictures, gano'n, di ba? So, it's like, I think there are a lot of companies implementing that, guys, that, so that there will be, anong tawag dito, yung personality mo, kumbaga, is you can do it to your workplace so that you will be more creative, more comfortable, di ba? And more productive, yun nga, guys. Dapat yun yung, mas productive tayo, di ba? So, yun guys, di ba? So, palitan nyo yung design, guys. Like, ano ba yung ilalagay nyo doon, di ba? It could be yung picture ng crush mo, di ba? Oh, ayos yun. That's a good idea, di ba? So, nakalagay dyan sa table mo yung picture ng crush mo so that you will be inspired, oh, di ba? So, ano pa yung mga K-pop, di ba? Yung mahilig sa mga K-pop, of course, yung mga posters ng K-pop, di ba? So, nandyan. So, ano pa? Yung may mga quotes, di ba? Maganda din yun, guys. Yung mga inspiring quotes or yung mga Bible verse na quotes, di ba? I-display nyo dun, guys, so that you will be reminded, guys. So, you will be inspired. You will be optimistic. You will have this positive energy, kumbaga, all throughout the day that you are working, di ba? So, yun, guys. Yun yung reason number 1 natin, guys. Yung it has a physical effect on you, di ba? So, yung second reason natin, guys, is psychological naman, guys. There's a psychological effect, kumbaga, yung environment natin sa atin, di ba? So, ano ibig sabihin nun, guys? So, yun nga, guys, apparently, our brain, kumbaga, if we are doing the same things every day, guys, there's this study that our brain will be rusty. Rusty na siya, kumbaga, we will be stuck na yung sa routine natin, di ba? So, hindi na tayo masyadong creative, hindi na tayo masyadong nag-i-imagine, kumbaga, because we are just doing the same things every day, kumbaga. So, yun yung reason yun, guys, is to somehow palitan natin yung routine, kumbaga. So, that would be something na refreshing, kumbaga, di ba? Na hindi na tayo feel burnt out, kumbaga, if we come to work and may makita tayo something new, di ba? So, that's I think, that's also very important, guys, that we also take care of our mental health, kumbaga, di ba? If feeling nyo, guys, you're mentally, burn out na kayo, guys, sa work nyo, di ba? And you think there's this, we need to change environment or Di ba? Yung sinabi ko niya, yung drastic measure is to change work, di ba? So, i-assess nyo talaga yan, guys, because it is really important, guys. If sa tingin nyo, it's pulling you down na as a person, di ba? If you think that you are not growing in that company, so it's really good to move on, guys. I mean, change environment na kayo, guys. Change workplace, or sa tingin nyo, yung ginagawa nyo, it's not meant for you, di ba? So, yun nga, guys. So, we should change, di ba? Change the environment, change the workplace, di ba? So, yun yung reason number 2 natin, guys. So, kayo dyan, guys, if feel nyo na masyado na kayong demotivated sa work nyo dyan, di ba? Sa tingin nyo, kailangan nyo na mag-move on to another company. So, yun, guys. Mag-research kayo, guys. Kung ano talaga yung right job for you, di ba? Kung ano talaga yung gusto nyo. So, yun yung applyan nyo, guys, di ba? So, yun, guys. Reason number 2 natin is because there is this mental or yung tinatawag natin na psychological effect yung environment natin sa atin, di ba? So yung third natin, guys, is third reason kung bakit natin dapat mag-change is to to have new perspective, di ba? Kumaga, di ba? So yun nga yung sinabi natin kanina, guys, if paulit-ulit lang, wala tayong masyadong na-imagine, di ba? Wala tayong masyadong something new. Kumbaga, we need something it's like yung mga fresh na ideas, kumbaga, guys. Actually, without you noticing it, guys, if, example, kahit maglipat lang kayo ng workplace nyo, guys, try it, na lipat lang kayo sa likod, example, bakanting likod, and try nyo doon mag-work, and you will be amazed, guys, na there are some things na hindi nyo naisip before, but suddenly, di ba, your brain is more, it's like, functioning more efficiently, kumbaga, because of it's like nanibago ba yung brain natin, but it is something new because we really need something new paminsan-minsan, guys. Kaya yung experience ko before, guys, there's this rotation from time to time, maybe 3 months na mag-change talaga kung yung saan ka assigned, like lilipat yung group dito, lilipat sa likod, di ba? Because it's part of it, guys, changing perspective, di ba? So, yun yung mahalaga doon, guys, di ba? Na hindi naman siguro naboboard na kayo dyan sa location nyo, but yes, it has an impact talaga, guys. So, yun nga, for fresh or new perspective, guys, subukan nyo, guys. Like, mag-change kayo ng workplace. Or example, take a break, guys. Why not mag-work kayo somewhere else, like sa cafe? Try nyo sa favorite coffee nyo while drinking your favorite coffee, diba? Especially if yung mga work that requires yung creative juice, kumbaga, yung natawag na creative juice, diba? Kailangan na kasi nila ng inspiration while doing the work. So, mahalaga sa kanila yung they are changing the environment para for new perspective, diba? May iba silang makita, may iba silang marinig, or something that will inspire somehow new ideas, kumbaga, di ba? So, yun, guys, new perspective if we change our environment, di ba? So, fourth reason natin, guys, is new friends or new social group, kumbaga, new people, meet new people, kumbaga, di ba? So, yun nga, guys, it is also important na yung like yung connections natin, di ba? Yung anong tawag dito? Yun nga tinatawag natin na there's no man is an island. Tama ba yan? No man is an island, di ba? So, we should somehow interact with our community. Kumbaga, so, it is also very important, guys, that we have this support group, ganun, guys. So, if sa tingin nyo that you need to join mga civic organization, mga social groups, diba, guys? Hindi social. Yun. Diba, there are a lot of groups na pwede nyo salihan. May Lions Club, may Rotary Club, kung ano pa yung Mountaineering Club, diba, mga Runners Club, diba, depende, guys. So, sometimes, guys, we should yung something new na environment, meeting new people, diba? It would somehow spark something in you, diba? Malay nyo, makita nyo yung special someone nyo sa group na sasalihan nyo, di ba? So, another reason din yan, guys. But, yun nga, guys, to meet new people, ganon, meet new, anong tawag dito, contacts, mga ganon, guys. And that would somehow make you, anong tawag dito, guys, hindi kayo mai-stuck, kumbaga, kung same group of people lang. So, sometimes, yung sabi ko kanina, we should have new perspective, kumbaga, in life, di ba? So, better way of doing that is meeting new people, di ba? Listening to their stories, di ba? Malalaman nyo na, uy, ganyan pala yung experience nila, di ba? You learn a lot from the stories of other people, guys. So, yun guys, so yun yung reason natin guys, we should change environment to meet new people. Yun. So, lastly guys, the reason why we should change our environment is to find your purpose in life. Oh, di ba? So, ano ibig sabihin nun guys? Sometimes kasi guys, contented na tayo kung ano yung ginagawa natin sa work, di ba? Yung sinabi ko nga kanina, routine, the daily routine na ginagawa natin guys, okay na tayo doon. Ayaw natin ng pagbabago, kumbaga. But somehow, there's this part of us that is asking or nagtatanong talaga tayo guys if ito ba talaga yung destiny ko? Ito ba talaga yung meant ko na gawin? Is this my purpose in life? Diba? So, hindi talaga masasagot yun guys if hindi kayo mag-change environment or hindi kayo mag-explore, hindi kayo mag-entertain ng bagong ideas, kumbaga, na pwede nyong gawin, di ba? So, yun guys, so, it is really important. So, kung feel nyo guys stuck na kayo guys, feel nyo na you don't belong anymore to that company or feel nyo there is something else for you, di ba? Try it guys, try it. Give it a shot, di ba? Because we only have this, yung sa kanta ni Eminem, di ba? One shot at destiny, di ba? We only have this one lifetime, di ba? So, why not experiment, guys? Explore kung ano talaga yung gusto nyong gawin, di ba? So, that's a very good reason for me, guys, to change environment, di ba? To find your real purpose in life, di ba? So, yun, guys. So, that, di ba? Very quick lang yung topic natin for today, day 23. So, yung challenge for today, guys, is i-list down nyo, guys, kung ano yung mga things na gusto nyong change environment, kumbaga, na gusto nyong gawin. It could be yung sample natin kanina, yung kahit yung sa simple lang sa workplace nyo guys, may gusto kayong palitan, di ba? Sa desk nyo, may gusto kayong ilagay, di ba? Mga lucky charms or ano pa yung gusto nyo ilagay dyan. And yun, i-list down nyo guys kung ano yung gusto nyo change in the environment, di ba? It could be change of work, change of, di ba? Anything guys, yung gusto nyo salihan na groups, di ba? Yung i-discuss natin kanina. So yun guys, list it down. So yun, so yun lang yung topic ko for today guys. So it's really important for us to change the environment guys, di ba? Yun nga, so discuss natin 5 reasons, di ba? So it is really important guys. So yun guys, list it down, di ba? And hindi lang list guys, gawin nyo, kumbaga, di ba? So yun guys, so that ends my short video for today, the day 23 of our 30-day productivity challenge. If you have anything to say guys, anything to comment, anything to ask, just comment down below guys. I'll answer, di ba, your mga questions. And of course, you can also follow me in my social media accounts guys. It's in my description, di ba? So stay connected guys, stay connected, and thank you very much for watching. And yun nga guys, keep safe everyone, and I'll see you again in my next videos guys. So yun, stay tuned guys, and have a good day.